Hi, I I will now discuss about how to create the downloadable products. Okay, so that means let you have ebook and from your e-commerce website you want to sell that ebook, and that is not a physical product that will not go to customers home. So customer can just purchase that and download it from your site. So let's see how to create a downloadable product. Okay, so you have to go to product, then add new product. So as usual, you give the product name. That I am giving ebook digital marketing. Okay, and here you can give the product description. That is the long description of that ebook. Okay. And in this product data, let it be simple product. I'm not going to any variation. So let it be simple product. The only thing is to remember that I need to check this downloadable checkbox. Okay. Now rest of the steps are almost same. That your product price MRP is 900. You want to give it 699. Okay. And inventory you can set. You can give escape in, and then as usual the stocks, that you have 10 stocks and you want to get notification when the stock threshold reaches to 4. Okay, and here the short description. Here you have to select the product image. I'm selecting a ebook image. Okay, now I'm going to publish it. So this is published. Now if I go to my page, refresh, and go to shop. So this ebook demo that downloadable product is now showing. Okay, so price is 699 and add to cart button is also there. So if I click here, now it is going to the cart. You can see the cart from here as well as view cart from here. Okay, so the details is here. Now you have to proceed to checkout. And you have to remember one thing, that to get the download uh, link, we must have to check out this and complete the payment procedure. So once payment is done, then uh, you have to go to my account. Okay, and there you will get downloads, and here you can see the link for that downloadable item what you have purchased. Okay, so right now I have not completed the purchase link, that purchase procedure. show the not downloadable available yet. So once that is done, so that particular item will be displayed.